Hello, my name is Sochi, and we are at Hummingbird Farm in Excelsior. And today we're going to be going over cover crop, and we're going to show how we're taking it down and why. But first, let's start with what cover crop is. Cover crop is a set of plants that uses a passive growing system, and by that I mean we just leave it alone. We plant it and we let the rains do the thing, and they grow. We haven't had any irrigation on these plants, so this is what all the growth they've put out in a season, in a winter season. And you can see that it's flowering, and it's been super busy with the early spring pollinators. There's a lot of bumblebees and flies and other pollinators in this area. But we want to cut it right before it really starts forming seeds. And the reason why that is because the legumes specifically have been putting all of their energy into the relationship with the bacteria in their roots, and so they've been sequestering nitrogen into the soil, and we want to keep that in the soil. And in the essence of production of fruit and seeds, the plant will take that resources and invest it into the next generation. So we want to cut it before the seed forms, and we want to maintain as much of the root system as we can. So we're going to stomp this down in the direction of the bed. This is probably one of the few times we actually step on the bed directly, but we're getting our cover crop down. And there's 4 main types of plants in here. There's some bell beans, some oats, some vetch, and some field peas. So they're all kind of scattered in the mix. You see different colors, and they all do something slightly different. They either fix nitrogen or have fibrous root system that help break the soil into a crumbly feeling. So we just come in and chop our cover crop. And so as we do this, we're already kind of breaking it into some chunks and making some breaks into the cell wall of the cover crop. So we're going to use this to mulch our elderberries and let it break down again and act as a green mulch for our elderberries. But as we take one of these root structures out, you can see these are the legumes. And this is the relationship. The plant, in this case, the bell bean, is making a relationship with these bacteria that they're housing in their roots. So the plant is purposely expanding its root to give the bacteria a place to live. And then the plant gives the bacteria carbohydrates, and the bacteria sequesters nitrogen. And so we're catching, by leaving this intact in the roots, in the soil, as we cut it down, that energy is going, the rest of the energy from up here is eventually going to the roots, and it's just distributing into the network of the soil where we will be putting our crops to eat next season. So that's it again from Hummingbird Farm. Follow us on Instagram at Urban Campesinex.